There are two kinds of engineers using AI right now, and the gap between them is widening every single day. One group is using AI as a glorified search engine. The other has fundamentally changed how they think about problem ownership. The difference in output quality is staggering, and it has almost nothing to do with which model they're using. The most common pattern today is what you'd call prompt and paste engineering. You hit a wall, you ask the model, you copy the fix, you move on. It feels productive because you're shipping faster, but you're still making every single micro decision yourself. The AI is handling syntax, not strategy. You've upgraded your keyboard, not your thinking process. The second mode looks completely different. You define the objective clearly, wire up the inputs and success criteria, and then you genuinely let the model reason through the solution space. This is uncomfortable at first because it feels like losing control, but what you're actually doing is trading micromanagement for leverage. The model starts finding edges and approaches you never would have considered on your own. A useful mental model is imagining a junior engineer who executes 100 times faster than any human, but needs an exceptionally clear brief to do it well. You wouldn't hand a junior dev a vague 3-word task and expect a production-ready system. You'd give them context, constraints, edge cases, and success criteria. The same investment in upfront clarity pays exponential dividends when that engineer never sleeps and never slows down. The highest leverage skill in the AI era is not prompt engineering in the narrow sense. It's the 20 minutes you spend before you ever open a chat window, mapping the data flow, defining what success actually looks like, identifying the real decision boundaries. Engineers who invest in that upfront structure consistently get outputs that feel almost magical. Engineers who skip it blame the model when the results are mediocre. When every decision routes through your own brain, the best possible output is bounded by your existing knowledge and experience. But when you define a well-scoped problem space and let the model explore it, the outputs routinely exceed what you would have tried yourself. This isn't the model being smarter than you in some abstract sense. It's the combinatorial power of a system that has no cognitive biases about which paths are worth exploring. The tech conversation is dominated by which model scored 3% higher on some academic benchmark this week, but that's almost entirely irrelevant to real engineering productivity. A well-framed problem given to a slightly weaker model will outperform a vague problem given to the best model available. The bottleneck in nearly every case is not the model's capability. It's the quality of the problem structure handed to it. That's a human skill, and it's trainable. The competitive edge in the next few years will not belong to the people with access to the best tools. It will belong to the people who changed how they think about problem ownership. The engineers who can structure ambiguous goals into clear, agent-ready briefs are compounding their leverage every single day. This is a learnable skill. It rewards deliberate practice, and right now the vast majority of the field hasn't even realized it exists.